A drop of this will remove puffy eyes. A drop of this will get rid of those eye bags. Eye bags, puffy eyes can be as a result of stress, or you are not sleeping enough, or you are not taking enough water. If you are always hydrated, you find out that hair will be so puffy, so swollen. This remedy will help to calm it down. This remedy will help to get rid of them. Not only that, it will also help to get rid of wrinkles around the eyes. So just continue washing. In case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I share beauty treatments just like this. Treatments that will help to make you look younger, make you look beautiful with no makeup, okay? So this is one of them, taking care of the eye area. This eye area is very sensitive, so you have to be very mindful of what you put on around here. If you are the type that always purchase strong products that has strong ingredients, harmful ingredients, or ingredients that are chemicals, just know that they can be very harmful for the eyes. You will see some people, they are very young, but they have started developing wrinkles around the eyes. That is not funny, okay? We don't need wrinkles around this area. And when you start having puffiness, eye bags, you find that you'll be looking older. You appear older than yourself. And even makeup, some makeup will not get rid of it or reduce it. So using treatments like this to take care of it, it will help greatly to make you look the best. This treatment is not only for the eye area, you can also apply it all over your face or apply it on your body as well. So I'm going to tell you the ingredients I use here to get perfect result. One of them is coffee. As you can see from the color, this brown, deep brown color, it shows that I added coffee. Not only that, coffee smells so amazingly, like it's so yummy. The smell is so unique. I love it a lot. So here is coffee. You can get any brand like coffee tea. Coffee is packed with antioxidant that helps not only to get rid of those puffiness, it has anti-inflammatory properties that helps greatly to calm swollen eyes. Any kind of swollen, it helps greatly to calm it down. Also helps to minimize wrinkles around that area. You look more youthful. You know, when wrinkles start developing, some people notice it on their hands. Some people start noticing it in the smile lines, around the eyes, forehead, but mostly around the eye. That is because the skin around here is very thin, very sensitive. Applying ingredients like this has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties that will help greatly to calm it down and repair the skin, making it to appear more youthful, getting rid of those puffiness. So try to get coffee if you love it. So the next ingredient which I use is this aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very potent at calming down swollen skin. The powerful antioxidant properties in it, in aloe vera gel, are highly effective at reducing puffiness, inflammation, swollen. Very potent. It helps to treat irritation, sunburn. But we're using it in this treatment, adding with another ingredient, like 2 more ingredients to get perfect results. Try to get aloe vera gel of any brand. You can also make use of your plant aloe vera in the garden, so it's also very good. So the next ingredient is vitamin E oil. Yes, this is vitamin E oil. Very, very important. It's very moisturizing. It helps also to calm irritation, swollen face, swollen eyes, puffiness, eye bags. It helps to calm inflammation a lot. So adding a few drops of vitamin E will help greatly. If you don't have vitamin E capsule, you can go on and make use of olive oil. Olive oil contains loads of vitamin E, powerful antioxidant. They all work the same. Another ingredient that is packed with vitamin E is sunflower oil. Is very rich in vitamin E. Rosehip oil is also very packed with vitamin E. Also, if you don't have any of that, you can go with baby oil. I love baby oil a lot because it suits irritated skin. It's a mix of mild ingredients that are very gentle. Especially applying it around the eye will help greatly to make you achieve great results. So you can use any of this oil I just mentioned. After adding it, so I added half tablespoon of coffee ground, then 1 full tablespoon of aloe vera gel, then few drops of vitamin E oil or any of those oils I just mentioned. Mix and mix together until you form this, like this consistency. Okay, not watery and not so thick. So you have to wash the areas. So after having your bath, then you have to use a brush or just use your hand to apply a little drop. Just a little drop is all you need. Apply on it around this area. Just apply around this area. Okay, so this will help to calm those puffiness. The ingredients are safe and natural, no side effects. So applying this every night will help to calm swollen, puffiness, eye bags. Leave it on all through the night. The next day, just use a cool water to rinse it out, okay, before you have your bath. So do it every night. Some people will notice improvement the next day. This is very effective, purely natural, for all skin types, for all skin complexion. Check my previous video, the one before this particular one. I made a cream, homemade cream, that you can apply to get rid of dark under eye circle, to also get rid of wrinkles around the eye. Very potent cream. If you also want to purchase, we have very good eye cream for you. Check out our products. I'm displaying it on the screen for you to see. Purely natural, no side effect. We ship worldwide. In case you want any of them for different skin types and complexion, ingredients are safe. Do not worry. We'll give you a good skin, glowing, uniform skin you love. Purely natural. So get all these ingredients together, make a quality cream, make a quality treatment just yourself that you can apply around the eye to take away those puffiness that makes you look so tired, that makes you always look and appear older. So go on and try it and see it working amazingly. So you can store it in the refrigerator like about some days, okay? This is going to make it to stay longer, and use it wisely the way I stated, and you love it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also share this video. Yes, share this video. I will see you in my next video.